Today we're building Legos. Yes, build the Legos. Guys, we can build Legos. Now we're building the human. Now we are gonna make the motorcycle. Ooh, now I'm putting these pipe things. I don't know what they're called, but we're gonna put the frame on. It looks cool, doesn't it? I wonder what's that. Maybe it's the handle. That might be a handle, guys. Now we're putting on some like the thing, like the place where you put the fightings. Let's put on 2 wheels, because motorcycles have 2 wheels. Now it looks cool. Let's put on the person. Vroom, vroom, vroom. With this big thing. Now we find 4 of these white slidings. I don't know. Now putting on every single side. Ooh, and those are something else, so I can cover that. Now 2 black things. Let's see what else. Oh, the one the cell was like a controller thing? I don't know. And now 2 yellow long things. Now let's put on this big circle. Ooh, looks cool. Looks really cool. Now I'm putting on the broken ladder. I don't know why it's broken. Oh, do you see the microphone and the wrench? And that looks like a antenna or something. I don't know. And I spin it. Fire. Now, guys, if you're close off fire, stop, drop, and roll. Okay? Don't forget to cover your mouth. Okay, guys? Let's make the lady. Ooh, and the helmet. Hey, don't roll away, silly helmet. Now we're starting off this with big black thing. And it looks like a hammer. It still looks like a hammer, doesn't it, guys? It looks like a hammer now. I think it does. Putting this blue sticks. Ooh, the blue. And blue is my favorite color. Do you know that, guys? And I think that's the controller of the helicopter. And just put it backwards and put these. What about the side? I'm not sure about the side, but I'm sure I can fix it. And now it's a broken piece and 2 red pieces. You see? Yes. Turn to the next page. Ooh, a window. Maybe not a window. 2 sirens, blue sirens especially. And blue is still my favorite color forever. What is that? Oh, these are like gray floor patterns. I don't know. I think we're almost done, guys. Let's flip it. Whoa, Legos is fun. Dude, one day you might be a Lego expert because I'm a Lego expert. I can build a lot of Legos because yesterday I bought a Lego and I built it all by myself. Maybe you can do that. Yeah, it's gonna break. I'm sure it's gonna break. I hope it doesn't. It might break, but I hope it just doesn't break. Do you see the wheels under the helicopter? We're putting that thing. Ooh, and the repellers. 2 repellers, definitely. But sometimes there's 4, you know? But this helicopter has 2. Now putting when somebody's sick, they just lay down on it and we're putting it. This is a rescue helicopter. It puts out fire because it's a fire helicopter. Ooh, let's put the lady in. Thank you, Mona, for helping me. Yes, put it out. Yes, help this man. Yes, go. Now he's in the helicopter. Let's go bring him to the hospital. Bye.